What's up guys, my name is Rolston and how you guys doing today? So today in this video I will be sharing with you people different types of sneezes. I was suffering with cough and cold, and every time I sneezed it was always a different type of sneeze. Thus I came up with the idea of different types of sneezes. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
The normal sneeze. The heavy sneeze. The quiet sneeze. The I am going to sneeze. The trail sneeze. The sudden sneeze. The pumped up sneeze. The face maker.
Oh no.
The girly sneeze. The mega sneeze.
So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you loved this video, give me subs. If you loved it, then comment down below while subscribing, So if you want me to do anything else, you can comment down below. If you want another series of anything, you can do that. If you want to ask me any sort of questions, you can do that through the comment box down below. Okay, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment down below, do whatever you want to do with my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, because that is important. And that's it for this video. So thank you for watching and goodbye people.